Our first data prep project is to take the 21 countries with the highest gross domestic product, or GDP, and sort their GDPs into a range of values. So as you can see, the US and China are in the greater than $10 trillion range. Germany is 4 to 5 trillion. The United Kingdom is 3 to 4 trillion, etc., down to Poland at less than 1 trillion. So let's walk through this process of using the bulk AI tools in GPT for Sheets to create this Google Sheet. So here's the Google Sheet we're starting out with, and we've got the headings for country, GDP in trillions US dollars, and GDP range in trillions US dollars. I've already gone to extensions and gone to GPT for Sheets and Docs, and I've enabled GPT functions. So I'm going to click Open to open the GPT for Sheets and Docs sidebar. And looking at this table, in the finished table, the countries were listed in numerical order from the highest GDP to the lowest GDP. In this beginning look at this Google Sheet, where we're still building the final product, the countries are in a random order. So I'm going to make sure I've selected bulk AI tools over in the sidebar. I'm going to select classify, categorize, and I want the header row to be row 1 because that's the row that has my headers in it. Classify each cell in column B, GDP in trillions USD. And now I need to write the categories, which I've already written on a separate Google Doc. So I'm just going to select the categories, press Command C on my Mac keyboard to copy. It would be Control C on a Windows keyboard. Go back to my table, click in the box that says into one of these categories, press Command V to paste, put results in column C, GDP range in trillions USD, and then I do want to add some instructions, so I click that down arrow to open the instructions box. And I've already written the instructions in the Google Doc, and the instructions are the unit for the values in column B is trillions US dollars. So I'll do Command C to copy, go back to my table, go back to my classify instructions box, do Command V to paste, and I'm using the AI model GPT-4o. I make sure I'm starting from row auto, and I just want to do the first 3 rows to see how it works. So I click Run 3 rows. And I see for India, the GDP range in trillions is 4 to 5 trillion. For Japan, it's 4 to 5 trillion. And for China, it's 10 plus trillion. So that worked okay. And now I'll do all rows. First I have to close up here. Click all rows, click run all rows, and let's see how we do. So Turkey is 1 to 2 trillion, United Kingdom 3 to 4 trillion. It looks like they're all correct. The only one not correct is Poland. It is less than 1 trillion, but it's 1 to 2 trillion over here in the range. And that's because I couldn't figure out how to put a 0 in the range. When I tried to include a range category that was 0 to 1, it completely messed up all the other results. So I'm not sure how to fix that. Maybe if I worked on that long enough, I can fix it. But for my purposes, I can just go here and replace 1 to 2 with 0 to 1. So while this isn't perfect, that's a lot easier than trying to do all 21 of these countries manually.